Another thing too, I want to touch on, this owner financing business. People who know me personally, that really, really know me, know I'm really, really passionate about, owner financing strategies. I had a personal situation that happened, it happened to me. My father passed away, right? And it affected me a lot more. Mentally, I've been out of the game. Life gave me boom, 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 knocked me out, right? I mean, that's standing eight. I'm here, but I'm not here, right? My mind was just on something else. But one thing I want to kind of touch on, you just kind of really, really appreciate different things when you're going through rough times, is that, these owner financing strategies, right? Not only does the money still come in, I can say the deal's flowing, whatever, but the money still come in. That's what the bottom line is. The money still coming in, and the business even growing, right? I had additional monies coming in during this tough time. But, it's just, this really appreciate, the opportunity, to learn this information, God blessed me with the opportunity to learn this information. And my goal is just to share it with as many people as possible. That's my intention. The game has been fabulous to me. You know what I mean? So, if this is something that you want to learn, if you want to really get a deep dive into, go to workwitharmond.com, and we set up a, strategy session, and, we sit down, we talk, and if we a good fit, then we can take it to the next level. All right, you guys have a great day. I happen to be sitting here. Usually I don't get to the office this early in the morning, but I happen to be, sitting here. I got an appointment. It's a guy, he wanted to come in and, talk about these owner financing strategies, you know what I mean? Because it's just the impact that can have on your life is just so dramatic. It's just unbelievable. I got another story. This channel is being sponsored by armond.club. That's ARMOND.club. Have you ever wanted to start your own business but maybe didn't have enough money for coaching? Well, lucky for you, I created a vehicle to help you out with that. You go over to armond.club. What me and my team are doing is releasing one video per week that has been proven to make you at least $5,000 to $10,000 a month. That's right, $5,000 to $10,000 a month. Now, if I can show you how to make $5,000 to $10,000 a month, what would that be worth to you? One way we usually evaluate things is taking like 10% of the potential earnings. So if you take 5,000 on the low end, multiply that times 12, that'll be 60,000. Take 10% of that, that's $600. So $600, if you would pay $600 to get access to some information that can make you at least $5,000 to $10,000 a month, we would call that pretty fair exchange, right? So one wise man once told me, if the value is this big and the price is this big, it's a no-brainer, you must buy. So if the value is this big and the price is this big, it's a no-brainer, you must buy. So what we're doing is a limited time offer. The price will be increasing, but what we're doing for a limited time offer, you can get access to these money-making opportunities for only $10 a month. That's correct. Only $10 a month. You go over to armond.club and sign up. You'll be locked into that price. Even if we raise it, you still be locked in at the $10 a month. But you can get access to these videos that's been proven to make at least $5,000 to $10,000 a month. Now that varies depending on who's implementing them, and that varies depending on if you actually do the work. But go over there. I think you will enjoy the opportunity, and you can thank me later. Have a good day. Usually I like to keep these videos kind of short, but I got another story as well. I had a couple friends, had what I call a good job. I used to work at Chrysler. I did a contract for Ford and GM as well, but my longest stint was with Chrysler, right? So they retired from Chrysler. You're getting a pension. It's all good. You're getting your pension, but at the end of the day, with your pension, and if you retire at a young enough age, you really can't access your 401k without penalty. And even if you access your 401k, between your 401k and your pension, man. I mean, a lot of people under the illusion, I hustle, and then when I retire, it's all good. But man, that's just an illusion, right? Because
it's just not enough money there, right? So I got a couple guys that they retire from good job, right? Well, I call it good job, decent job, Chrysler, Ford, GM, they ain't hurting. They paying like $30-some an hour, for the people that been there for a minute. They making, 6 figures a year, you know what I mean? So they ain't really hurting. But when they retire, man, that little pension check is not enough. Now here in the Midwest, you under the illusion that it's gonna go longer than what it is, but no, man, it's not enough, man. So look, you and gave your life, literally your life, because some people don't live long enough to retire, right? But literally your life to this company, and only to come out with not enough money to to take care of yourself. You know what I'm saying? So I'm saying I'm not just saying, haul off and just, quit your job or things like that. But what I'm saying is learn these owner financing strategies, because like it won't even take much, right? You can have, like, say if you had 5 houses, 10 houses, right? 5, 10 houses that's paying you here in the Midwest, like our rent's a little lower. So say if they're paying you anywhere between $600 on the low end, a month, and if 600 on the low end, say 800-900 on the high end, right? And you had like 10 of those, you know what I mean? And you set them up with these, like I said, these owner financing strategies. It's different than a rental. So I'm not just saying let's go out there and grab you 10 rentals. No, that ain't the game, because you can get in the game, you know what I mean? You mess yourself up a little bit. So I'm saying you get you 5 to 10 of those, or 5 to 10 of those. I'm just saying on a lower scale. And you have those, and you have that income coming in every month, man, that's pretty cool. Even if you wasn't, blessed enough to have one of those good jobs, and, you can buy these properties using the owner financing strategies. So it's taking away the excuses, right? Because you don't really have to have the money or the credit. You got to have the knowledge. You got the knowledge, you could put this stuff in place. And that's really what I'm harping at. And not to make this video like too long or whatever, but if this is something that interests you, because I know a lot of people, you may be pretty young, you're not really facing the getting close to the retirement age and things like that. But just imagine this advance forward, 10, 20, 30 years from now, and that you at the retirement age, what's different? What's really going to change if you don't put in these owner financing strategies? And I want to just special shout out to my realtors and wholesalers out there, right? Like you wholesaling these properties. I'm a realtor. So, I look to do real estate transactions, and I do wholesale, right? But I just want to, peep game a little bit, right? So you wholesaling and you doing your realtor thing. How many of these properties are you actually holding? How many of these properties are you actually keeping, right? I know you're making your money off your commission and off your assignment fees and things like that. But how many of these properties are you actually holding? Because I know you wholesalers, y'all coming across some sweet deals, right? So why, if you find in a deal that is a sweet deal because you're selling them, right? If you find a deal that's so sweet, why just give it away? You can keep it, right? You buy the property, right? You buy it as cheap as possible. Then you turn around and use these owner financing strategies and you sell it for the maximum value. Just think of the money that you're leaving on the table in the middle. Come on, guys. I mean, this is the best game that I know of. And if you happen to know something that's better than the owner financing strategies, if you know something that's better, man, please post a comment below. Put us all up on game. Because to me, this is the best thing out there. I mean, that's why we have banks, right? This is the best thing out there. So it's not like, that's why I said, that's why we have banks. But this is turning you into the bank, right? So if you know of something that's better, man, post that comment below. Put us all up on game. All right. I hope you guys have a great day and be safe and be blessed. Thank you.